Well, I did 2,000, first one was a 3. Well, depending on how you count.
Yeah.
There is that.
Sure.
There's always that gray area.
Yeah.
I know. I want to get in. I want Joby in.
Better pay attention.
They buzz right there to me.
Right.
And 4 years ago, they're still working there for a long time ago. Look, birds.
Look at turtle on my back. Can't get out. Can't get
By
out.
the way, this is just Steve. It doesn't have that little blimp in it.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Whoa! Yay! Whoa! Wow! Spawn it out there. I love it.
That was a good one.
Yes.
Nice.
Who was complaining about this ride?
I don't know, but I spotted out at the bottom of the hill. These are great. I didn't think they were anything like I thought I was going to like at all.
Oh, we can go around.
Takes a lot for me to spot out, and I was, ooh.
Really spun out?
Yes, I spotted out at the bottom of the, when we did the, yeah. I mean, I didn't count, but I twinkled.